Hi, I'm Beck from Australian Jewellers Supplies, AJS, and this is Town Talks Gold and Jewellery Care Kit in a tin. So, if you want to see your gold sparkle, then I recommend this product. Inside the tin are 8 jewellery tissues which have a moist solution and a brilliant gold polishing cloth. So all you need to do is use your tissue on your gold and then finish it with the polishing cloth. And the cloth is impregnated with a cleaning agent and anti-tarnish agent. The cloth is 20 by 20 centimetres, and we also have this in this size as well, which is 12.5 centimetres by 17.5 centimetres, perfect for travel. It has 2 of the jewellery moist tissues and a polishing cloth.